Features. The Mercedes-Benz EQB is an all-electric compact SUV that combines luxury with practicality, offering features that are perfect for both urban commutes and long drives. Power, 288 horsepower. Range, 260 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging. Interior features high-end luxury materials, Mercedes M-Bus infotainment system, and space for 7 passengers. The Mercedes-Benz EQB provides luxury, comfort, and performance, making it a perfect all-around electric SUV. The Nissan Ariya has quickly become a top contender in the electric SUV market. With its modern design and robust performance, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to transition into electric driving. The electric vehicle revolution is at its peak, with 2025 set to be a defining year for the industry. From faster charging to longer driving ranges and from groundbreaking autonomous technology to sustainable production practices, electric vehicles are no longer just a niche market, they are the future of transportation. In this video, we'll explore the key innovations in EVs for 2025, spotlight the top models, and dive into what's next for electric mobility. Tesla's Model 3 continues to be one of the world's best-selling electric vehicles, and the 2025 version is packed with improvements that enhance its performance and appeal. With Tesla's renowned autopilot technology and continuous software updates, the Model 3 remains at the cutting edge of electric cars.